So guys, it's been about 2 weeks since I had a little update on the truck. I have done a few things to it since last time. One big thing, muffler's cut off. It was straight pipe for a second, but then I bought a flowmaster super tin. But before we get to that, I got the front windows tinted. Little visor strip up there. Rain guards. Here's the muffler down here. That little bitty thing. So, here we go. Now this muffler doesn't have that much drone going down the highway or anything. Not as much as it did straight piped. Alright, hang on, let me get in there and rev it up real quick. And there you guys go. It's just a little quick update. Well, have a good day, guys.